What's up? It is so annoying sometimes. Instagram comments. Hi, Vidya. The reason I read my comment section today is because hi, Munavar. So good to see you, bacha. I read my comments today is because um, I'm I'm doing a study and research with somebody who's going to make a documentary on me and the cyberbullying that I face on a daily basis, and uske kya repercussions hai, and how I personally deal with things like that. And I feel fucking proud of myself. Smile. That's a nice picture. Hi. Who else was there? I missed you. Oh shit. I was about to say hi and then I missed you. Hello. Hi, Mohsin Wani. कैसे हो आप? Long time, babu. Good to see you. I'm trying to adjust the light. I don't know. जब से मैंने घर में white paint कराया है ना, something has gone wrong with the lighting. Hi, Ankit. Hi, my love. Who all is here? Hello, darling. Hi, darling. Hi, Kanan. Hi, Bacha. How have you been? Hello. Hi, Ashish. Hi, Ashish, darling. Hello, baby. What's up? Hey. Aw, Ankit, you were there on the live session, kya? How sweet are you? How sweet are you, huh? Who else is there with you? How was your day? How did you? Okay, one second. Ache. One second. I just realized that I need to. Do you remember this kurti, by the way? Do you remember this? आपको याद है मदर्स डे पे जब मैं अपने मॉम को लेटर लिख रही थी? इट वाज लॉकडाउन पीरियड, है ना? It was one second. Do you want me to put a video as well? It was a lockdown period, and I wrote a letter wearing this kurti. उसमें photos हैं Instagram पे. So I thought maybe I'll wear it live for you because आपने मुझे इसमें कभी देखा नहीं था. I'm thinking I should apply a bindi. Just let me know if you like it. Yes. Hi Ashish, I love you. Hi Vidya. Is it nice? Hi Nisha. Hi Yogesh. What's up? What's up? Hi Priyanku. कहाँ गायब थे बाबा इतने दिनों से? अच्छा, by the way, tomorrow we have वीडियो कॉल्स शेड्यूल, तो अगर आप कल फ्री हो और अगर आपको टाइम मिल चुका हो तो प्लीज़ बी प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज अदरवाइज आपका जो पैसा है वो वेस्ट होता है एंड आप टाइम पे नहीं आते, हम 15 मिनट्स वेट करते हैं आपका and you lose your money. So yeah, make sure if you book something, you come, you take what you pay for. Okay. I love you. How is it going? How is it going, Grishman? Gursimran, sorry. Hi Rishabh Singh, thank you. आज बड़ी अलग लग रही हो ना, मैं बिंदी हटा दूं क्या? Should I remove my bindi? I should, no? Nosing इस पे नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, baby. If you'll tell me, I'll open my hair for you. That's something I can do. You want me to open my hair? अच्छा, मैं देखो. Aw, Gursimran, you're so sweet. चलो ठीक है, ठीक है ना. All right. तेरे जाने का गम और ना आने का गम, फिर जमाने का गम क्या करें. राह देखे नजर रात भर जाग कर, पर तेरी तो नजर ना मिले. बहुत आई गई यादें, मगर इस बार तुम ही आना. इरादे फिर से जाने के नहीं लाना, तुम ही आना. Did you like it? Did you like it or not? Tell me. Vidya? Acha Nishchay. Lagja gale. Thank you, Manoj. I like the fact that you say, wow, that really feels good. Hi, insert. What does that mean? कहाँ कहाँ से इतने ज्यादा इंडिविजुअली टैलेंटेड लोग हैं ना, आप लोग ऐसे ऐसे नाम लेकर के आते हैं. वन गाय वाज व्हाट, योर हस्बैंड, राइट? उस नाम से स्टिकर बनाया हुआ था, माय हस्बैंड, या लाइक दैट. Crazy you guys are. Thank you, Nishay. You seem to be a nice guy. You seem to be a nice chap who's happy today. Are you happy? Are you feeling good? Mwah. A kiss to you. Hi, Simran. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Three kisses to you. Who else is there? Who else is there? मनोज. टाइट हग. एक बार बताइए ना मनोज, आप भी बहुत अच्छे से तारीफ करते हैं, क्योंकि मुझे बताइए ना, शुड आई ओपन माई है. अभी किसी का मेल आया एक्चुअली, जहाँ पे मैंने लिखा ना कि जहाँ पे मैंने पूछा था ना कि मैं बाल खोलूं या नहीं खोलूं, तो उसने मेल कर दिया मुझे इस बात पे यार. He said you can open your head, they're nice, they're really nice. See. Hi. Hi Rishabh Singh. Hello. Is this better? Is this better? Do you like it? Huh? You do? You do, you do, you do. Mwah. Oh, Ankit, I love getting it from you, really. Thank you, love. So, do you want me to apply gloss? Gursimran. Really? Do I do that? Hi, Rishabh Singh. Hi, Gursimran. Hi, baby. Hi, Bacha. Nisha, you're not happy? Is it for that? Priyanku, you always compliment my eyes, है ना, हमेशा. कैसे चल रहा है आपका काम, एंड BMW का शोरूम आपका लॉन्च हुआ? Is it all set? लग जा गले. या एक काम करते हैं, थोड़ा सा एम्बियंस लाइट क्रिएट करते हैं, ठीक है? मिर्जा, हाय. Tight, tight hug, Vikram. I love you so very much. Hi, Bacha. Manoj, hi. Hi, Vidya. I love Guru. What's up? Hi, Vikram. Hi, Mirza. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Hi. One dating tip. Okay, well. हाँ, गुरसिमरन कमेंट्स ऑन कर दो, मैंने कर दिया. See? There you go. Love you too, Gursimran. What's up? What's happening, guys? So, dating tip, right? Love. I was going to say, Love Guru. Do you want me to change? Do you want me to see in a different outfit, or you're okay with this? But the next outfit that I'm going to wear is going to be a Western outfit. But you know what? I think this is nice. Let's keep it on for some time. It is pretty, and let's keep it on because I want to. I really, really want to be in this one. What's up? Hi, Deepak. Yes, you are my king, baby. How are you doing? Are you alright? Okay, coming back to the reading tip part, you asked me for it. Mm, okay, what should I say? What should I say? Um, I wish I could know more about what you on what area, but then experience what I have learned. Hi, baby, Ankit. Okay. You know, today I'm finding myself a little distracted because of the comments that I got today. Because I don't know how I was in such a big denial जहाँ पे मेरे को कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं देता था. Now we have to do research, so I'm paying attention to it, and it's like after a very long time I'm reading the comments. So yeah, that's happening. And also in the market, there are so many people who are claiming to be my manager and quoting a lot of price and looting people. A lot of people have lost money in terms of they thought I'm available for the night, and I'll do them for money, which is impossible. It's never gonna happen. And they lost their money. Obviously, I don't know anybody who deals uh, for me like that. Yeah, a lot is going on, but just now it's you and me. Okay. Is it a good light? Do you like it, or should I turn it on? Yes, Ankit. That's been happening. You have no idea. A lot has been happening. Yes. This is beautiful, babe. Do you see it? Do you see it? This is nice. Honey, this is Indian, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one bindi and show you how that looks. If you like it, I'll keep it on. If you don't like it, I'll put it off. Put it off. Not this one, I guess. No, no, very bad, very very bad. So about यार एक चीज होती है गट फीलिंग राइट. उसका मतलब ये होता है कि जब आप किसी को नया नया मिलते हो या नया नया डेट करते हो ना, तो आपको अंदर से आवाज आती है यार यार कि ये इंसान ना शायद मेरे साथ लॉयल नहीं रहेगा, या मेरे लिए आगे जाके ये मुझे ही इज गोना बी गिविंग मी ट्रबल. At that point in time, always listen to your gut feeling at the very beginning. Okay. Yes, Ankit, talking about the secret happened with me. I knew a guy, his name was Sunny. uh child child, like grown up man, but always acting like a child, insecure, complaining. Oh, Deepak, so much love. सो मेक श्योर कि अगर कोई ऐसा इंसान जो कि आपको बात बात पे क्वेश्चन करता है, डाउट करता है, कहाँ थे, किससे बात कर रहे थे, ऐसे लोगों को ना एट द वेरी बिगनिंग यू जस्ट कट देम ऑफ बिकॉज आपको पता नहीं चलता, एंड देन यू बिकम हैबिचुअल टू respond to them, respond to their questions and take care of them. Never do that. Don't. Okay. I love it too, Gursimran. Oh, you liked it, did you? मैं पता है क्या सोच रही हूँ? I'm thinking I need to put some gloss. Hannah, Love Guru, you read my mind. Love Guru, you're awesome. Wait. There we go. One secret is that I really like to dress up for you and get ready for you. It gives me a feeling as if you are my boyfriend, you're my man. And in the night, I'm just getting ready for you because you look at me with so much of love, affection, lust. I know you do. So every ounce of effort that I try and put in is so worth it for you because you deserve it. Hannah Ankit. I know you feel lustful towards me. There's no shame in it. Maybe if you're hot, I might feel the same for you too, right? Damn, this is scary. Okay. Yeah, I know, Ankit. Anything like that happens, and the first fear is I'm gonna accept the call. Hi, Deepak. Are you there? I think the call got disconnected. Is it? Um,
Hi Anveshi, how are you? Hello.
I'm good. I'm good. How are you, Deepak? I can't see you. Can you show me your face?
Hello.
Yes. You are in the shadow, are you? But that's okay. How have
Yes,
you
yes.
been?
I'm good. What about you, Anveshi?
Very, very well. You seem to be like such a sweet person. How's life?
Yeah, yeah, good going. How about you? How was Diwali?
Very good. Yeah, the best actually because my parents were here and couldn't have been better.
Okay,
कहाँ से
okay,
हैं आप
okay.
दीपक?
I am from Noida, Delhi.
नोएडा ओह हाउ कूल कैसे चल रही है जॉब कैसे चल रही है काम कैसे चल रहा है
गुड 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 अभी तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है बट ऑफिस खोल दो यार अब बहुत हो गया.
रियली बट देन यू नीड टू बी सेफ ना दिल्ली में तो बहुत रिस्की हो रहा है अभी काम है कि नहीं
हाँ वो तो है मुश्किल थोड़ा हो रहा है.
है ना आप
How's
अकेले रहते
yours
हैं
going? Sorry?
यू स्टे अलोन
Yeah, I stay alone.
ओके ऑलराइट दैट मस्ट बी हार्ड या आई नो
Yeah. How's yours going?
हाउ इज माय व्हाट
How's yours going? Shooting wooting या कुछ वैसा बाहर का कुछ चल रहा है?
Yes, now I just got back from Hyderabad and I'll be going back again for different shoots. And yeah, the film is going to release in January. We are hoping. अगर सब ठीक हो गया तो. So yeah, going good actually. It's going fine. I'm back to life actually, back to preparation mode again. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Good, good.
What else? How was your lockdown? How did you feel? Do you have a girlfriend?
नो नो एक्चुअली आई डोंट हैव गर्लफ्रेंड बट मतलब कि अभी तो ऐसे चल रहा है वर्क फ्रॉम होम टाइप ही मतलब ऐसी बोरिंग लाइफ चल रही है सो आई यूज्ड टू जॉइन यू मतलब आई लाइक योर लाइव्स.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. But girlfriend क्यों नहीं है आपकी?
यार अभी तो सॉफ्टवेयर वालों से कोई जल्दी बनता है ना सीधे शादी होती है.
ओह शिट ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है ये सब फालतू की
वेरी
बात है
बिजी
ऐसे
लाइफ
किसने
यार
बोला
वेरी
आपसे
बिजी लाइफ यार.
हाँ यू आर सच अ स्वीट पर्सन आपके लिए बहुत आसान है आपको पता है आज की डेट में लड़कियों को क्या चाहिए जेन्युइन इंसान दैट्स इट एंड यू गुड लुकिंग टू try and find a girl go and approach if you like someone trust me on that you should actually
थैंक यू
experience
अनवेशी.
शादी मत करना सीधा trust me wait takes your time शादी मत करना बहुत सच में मारूंगी मैं अगर तूने शादी की तो have some experience have a girlfriend first okay
ओके अनवेशी आप टिप दे
yeah
दो तो काम हो जाएगा आई थिंक.
अच्छा मैं मिल जाऊँ क्या बोल रहे हैं आप
आप टिप दे दो टिप्स.
टिप्स ना मैं वही टिप दे रही हूँ कि मेक अ मूव अदरवाइज इट विल नेवर हैपन यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से कई बार यही सब बहाने से हम अपने आप को शांत कर लेते हैं मन तो होता ही है ना टिंडर पे जाने का लोगों से मिलने का
हाँ हाँ
go
बिल्कुल यार
ahead
क्यों
you
नहीं.
might be doing it also but then look at it on a for a like longer fulfilling relationship I'm not saying get married to the girl but then see what it can become sometimes you can actually find wonderful people and wonderful girls and guys on these dating sites as well having sex with them is fine good enjoy it but then if you think you're connecting with someone then don't let them go ऐसा मत सोचो कि यार ऐसे तो और मिलेंगे अभी तो और लोगों से मिलना है don't do that okay hey Pak. Yes so Ankit you agree with me you have a girlfriend who is having a girlfriend here I want to see how honest are you girlfriend or wife who all Manoj girlfriend hai you have a girlfriend come on you can tell me huh hey Arman Deepak say I can completely relate oh this is sweet I can completely relate because एक वक्त था जब मेरे पास भी वो तो मैं लाइव जाती हूँ तो लगता है कि हाँ कुछ मैं कर रही हूँ otherwise it becomes extremely hard to be positive and to be okay uh, being at home and working from home बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता होगा इसीलिए मैं बोलती हूँ कि ऐसे टाइम पे ना only thing that you need is a lover or or someone from your family who can take care of you hi Vivek एंड अगर आपको बुरा लगता है या अगर आप डिप्रेस्ड फील कर रहे हैं तो ये जान लीजिए कि इट इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉर्मल। हम सभी इसी दौर से गुजर रहे हैं या गुजर रहे थे। आप बिल्कुल भी अलग नहीं हैं, एंड आई एम ऑलवेज अराउंड फॉर यू। ऑल ऑलवेज ऑलवेज ओके, आई एम ऑल योर्स बच्चा। मुआ। निश्चय। Aww. Deepak, you want me to sing the song for you? Hmm? मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है। मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है। आगे सिंग फॉर मी। पर सामने जब तुम आते हो, give me a kiss। कुछ भी कहने से डरता है, ओ मेरे साजन, ओ मेरे साजन, साजन साजन। ना 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 ना। Priyanku is insisting to change dress. Do you want me to change? We have 10 more minutes. Do you want me to change? Yes or no? Yes or no? Nishchay? Manoj? Vidya? Should I? Huh? Anudeep Reddy. There we go. Hi, Anudeep. Hi, Anudeep.
What's
Hello.
up?
There you are.
Hey, what's up?
I like the blue colors on your wall. Very pretty house.
Yeah, thank you.
Where are you from?
Me, I'm in US.
You're in US. Okay, I can see that. Yeah, this daytime. How is it going? How's life?
Good. It's raining
Nice.
outside now.
It's raining?
hmm I don't think I can flip my camera, but yeah, it is.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful on the outside. It looks so nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Do you
getting
stay
colder.
alone? Huh?
Yeah. No, I live with family.
You do?
Yeah, with my sister,
That's nice. आप हैं कहाँ से basically?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Yee, I just came back from that city. I love that place. Do you miss Hyderabad and the food and the biryani?
Yeah,
Huh?
I can make
You
biryani
do?
now. Yeah,
You can. Are you cooking yourself there?
yeah.
या फिर आपकी बहन बनाती है?
No, I just do on the weekends.
एक बात बताइए, मुझे आपसे एक चीज पूछनी है। Because now that you're from
hmm
Hyderabad and you are now in US, is your life really that fancy that you thought it would be when you were here? एक होता है ना यार, यूएस जाएंगे, चिल करेंगे, जॉब करेंगे, बहुत अच्छी
No,
लाइफ होगी, इंडिया से कहीं गुना बेहतर होगी, बहुत सारा पैसा होगा। Is it
yeah.
really like that or it's a facade?
I mean, it depends on where you come from. I mean, it wasn't like that for me in my case. Like, I was having fun in India also. So, yeah,
अच्छा,
thought I enhanced fun maybe.
थोड़ा बहुत
But yeah, it's pretty much same thing.
है ना?
You'll have new things. Yeah, it's pretty much
It's
same. It's upon you to enjoy, basically.
really, but is it like lonelier? Is it more? Is it like less interactive, or you
Yeah,
feel people
less
are good over
interactive
there?
for sure. Yeah,
Yeah,
people need their personal space. But
yeah, I know, right?
overall, it's good.
That
Yeah.
I'm sure it is. But do you miss the empathy and the kindness in people of your own hometown? Because Hyderabad people are extremely caring, and they are good
Yeah,
friends, and
yeah,
they take
obviously,
care of
yeah.
you. I
You
know
miss
you must be
home,
missing
that's
that.
obvious.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Well, I hope you all the best, and you get everything that you're looking for.
hmm
And God bless you. Do you wanna say something? We have 11 seconds now.
Yeah, that's it. Nice talking.
Huh?
Nice talking to you.
So sweet. Thank you so much. Lovely talking to you too, Baba. Take care of yourself. Bye. Such wonderful people. Oh, amazing. Now, What do we want to do? We have 6 minutes. Manoj, do you want me to change dress? I would need 50 stickers from all of you together, put together. This guy, Priyanku, has given me Priyanku. Gursimran, you also want me to change? I'll go and change. You want me to 50, 50, 50 quickly? Make it quick. Otherwise ये होगा कि आप स्टिकर भी दे देंगे और मैं रहूंगी भी नहीं. Won't be nice ना. इसलिए give me the stickers, Shweta, and let me go and change and come back for you. But then quickly make it 50, sweetheart. Not 50 now because I think 40. Yes. है ना? है ना? Nishchay, well, Nishchay, I don't have the candle or the lighter at the moment, but then I can still pray for you. And what is that you're looking for? Are you looking for love? Are you looking for money? Are you looking for your parents' love? What is that you want? Tell me. Give me a hint if you can. Or maybe, safe side, I can ask for your peace of mind and your happiness and whatever that can bring that happiness to you. I hope that happens for you. If there is a lover who you really want to be with, and if you are the one who is more in love with her and she's not, I really pray that she also feels the same for you and even more so and take care of you. Amen. I already did. We're Western. Good. Fuck. All right. So I need what? 20 more? Quickly, quickly, quickly. 20 more stickers and I'm all yours, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Richard. 1 hour. Good, Simran, I'm watching you. You're becoming a naughty boy now, huh? All naughty. Cute. Hi, Bhagwan. I'm looking at you. I am. With your weight now, I will. Hi. Chalo, batao jaldi se. Anudeep ready? You think I should? I'm gonna go and change. But I haven't received enough. I haven't received enough. Really, I haven't. Kiss you too, darling. And I don't want to leave you like that when you're talking to me. Hey, Gursimran. Hi, Ucha. Love you too. Love you too. Mwah. We have 3 minutes left, darling. Hi, Shantanu. Hi, Mary Jan. Hi, Mary Jan. Quickly. So if you give me, if I change, I will stay for long. If I don't change, I'm gonna go because hey, that's how we work, right? Don't go. Oh, Shantanu, you're a sweetheart. It's so nice of you to come again and see me here. It's amazing. It's wonderful, Bacha. How are you doing? Okay, there are so many video calls coming. All right. I'm gonna accept. Expired. Expired. And not right now. Hi, Rajesh K. Hi, Manoj. Okay, let's see. Hi, Sukanya. How are you?
कि मेरा रिक्वेस्ट जा रहा है कि नहीं मतलब because my network is also slow so
Acha.
hi
Hi. How are you?
how are you
Good, Babu. How are you?
अभी के लिए तो ऐसे ठीक हूँ मतलब मैं आजकल ना जल्दी सो जाती हूँ तो मुझे आप ऐसे लाइव डालते तो मुझे पता नहीं चलता है आज मैं उठी मम्मी ने मुझे खाना खाने के लिए उठाया तो मिस नहीं कर रही हूँ एटलीस्ट
That's very sweet. But आप जल्दी इतना सो रहे हो? पढ़ाई पढ़ाई कर रहे हो इसलिए? Are you studying
नहीं नहीं,
well?
मैं पूरा दिन में पढ़ाई नहीं करती, मैं रात को पढ़ाई करती हूँ, क्योंकि जितना भी वो नीचे क्रिकेट विकेट खेलते हैं ना, तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता, ऐसे मतलब
Correct.
आवाज में पढ़ाई नहीं होती
I
मेरी।
know. So you study whole night? That's what you're
या
doing? That's
या
so nice. That's so good. That's very good. What else?
And you know, tomorrow it's 1 year that we met the first time ever. Like
On this set?
1 year, no, HUP
Acha.
Mumbai.
My my
Like मैं
my
आपके
my
घर पे भी
show.
जा.
Yeah. Correct. My show. That was na my
Yeah, exactly. Even
singing
your mom
concert.
dad
Right.
went that day, I remember.
Yes. Hi Vikram.
I was so happy, like I was making something. So मैं वो करते करते ही सो गई. फिर मम्मी ने उठाया. I'm not missing your life, so it's अभी थोड़ा ऐसे रिफ्रेशमेंट ऐसे लग रहा है, मतलब यहाँ
That's
के
so
से
good to hear. I'm so glad that you are happy.
And how's your mom and dad and Pranjal bhaiya?
Very good. Actually, they left. My mom and dad left today. Yeah. So I'm live. Yeah, it's खाली
Almost
actually.
like
घर काफी खाली
same.
लग रहा है. हाँ जी.
पिछले साल भी इसी टाइम में वो लोग गए थे, मतलब वापस से.
I guess so. Yeah, they are professors now, so they
मुझे
have their
मिलना
work.
था.
Next time, sweetie.
No
No
worries,
problem at
next
all.
time.
Chalo,
Next
sweetheart.
time.
I'll quickly wrap this up. Sing a
Yes,
song.
yes,
Yeah, you
yes,
take
sure.
care of yourself. Okay?
Chalo,
Bye.
bye.
Bye. Love. All right. Yes, good Simran. I'm gonna sing. Wait. लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो. I love you so very much. And Vidya, for you. You're so special. You are amazing, Bacha. I know we all do bad things and good things, and we sometimes are short tempered. We have flaws. I know you have flaws, but that doesn't take away the fact that you are amazing and you are great and you do so much for others. I know that you do, and you do it every single day without fail. And that's why I'm so proud of you. And I know how great a son, a daughter you are, and I know that you're trying to make it happen. Let me just tell you that it will happen. It is happening already. वो होता है ना घड़े में एक एक ड्रॉप करके जब आप डालते जाते हो तो एक दिन भर जाता है घड़ा. बस वही चीज़ है. Every day whatever you're doing is filling your घड़ा, and one day you will get so much more back than what you have put in. So keep going, and I'm super duper duper proud. Mwah! So much love. So tell me what's up. Hi Manoj. Love. So much love. So much love, Puja. Any other song that you want me to sing? मन कर गया है अब तो गाने का. इसमें अलग यार फायर क्रैकिंग होती रहती है, पता है, पटाखे फूटते रहते हैं. Literally, it's sparkling. Ah! Oh. Like, good morning. Good morning. I like the night better. Hannah? Makes the fantasies better, right? I haven't worked out in days. 3 days and my body is so sore. so right. I have no idea. Hi, Shantanu. तेरी गली में आता सनम. I love you too. नगमा वफा का गाता सनम. तुझसे सहारा जाता सनम. लो आज अगर आया हूँ मगर न लेकिन ना 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 ना. खत्म अब आज ये दहशत होगी. आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी. मेरी नजरें तो गिला करती है तेरे दिल को भी सनम. तुझे से शिकायत होगी. क्या हुआ, एक्स की याद आ गई क्या तुमको अंकित? हाँ, लव गुरु, you want me to dedicate a song to you, na? Okay. Yes, I will do that. हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में. हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में. खुश नसीब है वो जिनको है मिली ये बहार जिंदगी में. हर किसी को नहीं मिलता. And for you, I'm going to sing my song, Love Guru. My song, मतलब the one that is going to release. किसी ने नहीं सुना है, थोड़ा बहुत सुना है. I'm going to sing that one for you. Would you like to listen to that? Would you like that? Okay. बंजारे से थे हम, लगा कि कोई अपना मिला. टूट गया फिर भी क्या सपना ही तो था. Mwah! Love you. I know, right, Ankit? I got into all singing mode and all. Mohsin Vani, I told you 50 stickers and you are delaying it. Not done. Not done. चलो मेरी जान, मुझे इजाजत दीजिए जाने की. फिर मुलाकात करते हैं जल्दी से. I love you very very much. I care for you and I want you to never ever ever feel not good enough or any less than anybody else. Okay? You are loved. You are appreciated, and I love you very much. Yes, Munawar, I have to pray for you as well, right? Munawar, all the love, wealth, luck, and I hope that your parents feel super proud of you. Mwah. Love you. Take care. Good night. Who's gonna say good night? Who is the last person to say good night to me? Bolo. Hey Paris, you're late. Good night. Oh, I'm gonna yawn on your face. You know that yawn is contagious. Yawning is contagious, right? You do know that, right? Oh God. Chal, come on, give me a kiss. Quickly. I give you so many kisses. You're not gonna give me a good night kiss? You won't? I never do that, right? I love you. Oh, sweet Manoj. You found the best sticker for that, huh? Good night, Adinath. Good night, Love Guru. I love you too. I love you immensely. You are amazing. Good night, Gursimran. And yes, spanking is spanking. Look at that, Gursimran. You wait. Good night, Bacha. Good night, Love Guru. Bye.